Hello everyone! Today you're going to make your bibliography citations. So you have at this point finished all 5 paragraphs and you're ready to give credit to the websites that you got your research information, your evidence, your quotes from. If you remember back in the winter, you created a companion book, and at the end of your companion book on the last page you had a bibliography of the sources that you used. Same thing with this, okay? Whenever you research, you have to give credit to your sources. So bibliography citations, remember, look different than in-text citations. Look right here. This is what they look like. Okay, this is the format that we're using. It's an APA format. You may use Citation Machine to create them. That's fine. Just make sure it's the APA format. You need to have a bibliography source for every APA, in every in-text citation that you used in your body paragraphs, which means you're going to have to go back to your body paragraphs and you're going to look at these in-text citations. You're going to find that website from the text sets, open up the website, copy the link, and paste it into Citation Machine so you can make these citations. Okay, I am guessing you have at least 3 different sources. I gave you a couple other boxes in case you have more. So go for it. You're going to just create citations for all of the resources, the websites that you used, and paste them here. All right, and I put up here, just so you guys know, the dates for the assignments where you made your paragraphs. This was body paragraph 1, body paragraph 2, body paragraph 3. You might have to go to these assignments so you can find all the in-text citations that you used, and then you can go to the websites and create these bibliography citations. All right, please email me if you have any questions, or come on to my Zoom room. Thank you.